carry on smiling, cause there's always another day to not throw away.
I'm just like you, I like having a calm life, like feeling relaxed, instead of grabbing a sharp knife. The same as you, I like to go on holidays, but I'll be stuck within my ways, token the grade in broken days. This mediocre wage leaves me broken crazed. Walk for 9 days and move back to the same place. My face grey, cause I'm blazing haze 25 a day, instead of eating 5 a day and be delayed in cyberspace. Yo, I'm a deluded mess, you ain't impressed with my threats, but all your bitches will shut the fuck up when I torture all your pets. I'm tired of you laughing heads, just do what the person says. Tired of this brain dead, so laugh when your brain spreads. Well, I'm not like you, I don't own an expensive bar, ain't got houses or a garage full of eccentric cars. I'm not willing to kiss an ass just for an entry pass. I just sit here and go demented with a scented grass. No, I never was a person who's blessed, but we can safely say now I'm a professional mess. No, I will take my brain out, I'll put it back in its stress. Feeling depressed, never talk to a professional mess. Step to this horse shit, making you all split. I was split more than you're than 4 of your spores, forming your 4 tits. People are all skits, leaving your balls blitzed. Inside my stress, I'm a professional mess. My mind's in a balanced space.